Hey guys, welcome to another video. Do you know what is the most popular name in the world? And do you know why iPhone 9 and Windows 9 are not available? And do you know what Albert Einstein last words were? Stay tuned with us to know such fun and amazing facts. So friends, today fact journey starts from now. Fact number 8. Whenever the new year comes, on 1st January, every man makes his own mindset that he will definitely do this work in this year, but that mindset, that plan is broken after a few days, which means you can't follow it and you go to back your normal life as before. According to the Strava group research, the day people deviate from their New Year's plan is January 12th. It means that people who have big dreams on the first day of the new year and make a commitment to fulfill them, that promise is broken in just 12 days. Fact number 7. Friends, do you know what is the most common name in the world? That is, what is the most commonly used name in the world? Then that name is Muhammad. Yes, the Colombian encyclopedia, according to the word Muhammad, exists with the names of 150 million people in the world. Proof of how much Muslims around the world love their beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Fact number 6. Friends, the average age of cats is 10 to 15 years, but today you can see a picture of a cat named Krampov on the screen. This cat was born in 1967 and died in 2005. His queen's name was Jack Perry. The cat was 38 years and 3 days old. It is the largest cat in the world. That's why its name recorded in Guinness World Record book. Wow, what a wonderful cat. Fact number 5. Friends, you may know that an eagle can fly very high, even to the clouds, but you may not know that honeybees can fly even higher than the summit of Mount Everest. Yes, if we talk about calculus, these little flies can fly up to 29,525 feet high. Wow, that's a wonderful fact. Fact number 4. Did you know that a person cannot touch his elbow with his tongue? The fact is that even after knowing this, 99% of people will still trying to do it. And the bigger fact is that some married people say that our wife can touch her elbow with her tongue. When they were asked how they say it, because their tongue is very long. That's a funny fact, so it's time to laugh. Fact number 3. St. Louis City Museum, located in the USA, this museum contains the world's largest graphite pencil, commonly referred to as a lead pencil. It is 76 feet long and weighs 9,000 kg. Those people whose pencil coins runs out quickly should use this pencil, brother. Fact number 2. People usually like to know what words their favorite person has said before they die. Similarly, everyone wanted to hear the last words of Albert Einstein, the world's greatest scientist. But when Einstein said his last words, he had a nurse with him. Einstein spoke his last word in German language, but the nurse did not know German language. That's why it is still unknown what the world's greatest scientist said at the time of death. Before fact number 1, like this video as well as subscribe to our channel Factactic and click on bell icon and also click on the all option so that you get notification of our upcoming videos in a timely manner. In the future, you can also get benefit from such unique information and increase your knowledge. Fact number 1. Do you know why technology companies skip number 9 such as iPhone 9 after iPhone 8, not iPhone 10, and after Windows 8, not Windows 9, Windows 10, then why not number 9? Actually, no announcement or article came from any company, but people make two theories about it. The first is that it has a cultural context in terms of people, according to some reports in Asian countries. Number 9 is considered negative, and in China, number 9 is considered a curse, and in Japan, number 9 is linked to torture. So these companies cannot ignore the Asian market because a lot of people in Asia buy their products. So number 9 is skipped. But this theory is not accepted by 40% of the people. People agreed with theory number 2. The universe of Windows started from Windows 95, then Windows 98, then what was Windows 95 was linked to 9. That is, it was registered from 9, which means its registering name was Windows 9. So that's why Windows 10 instead of Windows 9 was brought. And if Windows 9 came, then it would have the same software, etc., which are in Windows 10. Now, only the difference of number means that under this theory, number 10 was written instead of number 9. Now let's talk about why iPhone 10 was brought by skipping iPhone 9. Then the biggest logic is that when iPhone 10 was launched, then iPhone was 10th anniversary. Then on 10th anniversary, iPhone 9 would have been very much sounds wide. And if it was of iPhone 9, it will have all the same technology as iPhone 10. So friends, today you must have know why iPhone 9 and Windows 9 are not available. Be sure to let us know which of these facts you find most interesting by commenting below, and be sure to share this video with your friends. See you with another video. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.